Hi, my name is Dr. Chip Evans, and I am the owner of a company called OEX Options and Blue Chip Options. We've been in business since 2005 when I actually started to study the OEX individually. The OEX is the S&P 100, for those of you that don't know it. Um, and I became an expert in the OEX 100 in trading options and in understanding Dow projections and in understanding how to trade a methodology that I created for trading cash derivative options. I started when I was young. My father began a business in 1950 having a newsletter and a service very much like OEX Options, except at that time charts were all done manually. Alerts were sent out by regular mail. Charts were put into the envelopes with the regular mail and the mimeograph sheets of the newsletter, and they were sent out weekly. Later, my father put reel-to-reel tapes together long before cassettes, and then later cassettes as they became available. And his company was called Wyckoff Associates Incorporated, based on the principles of Richard D. Wyckoff, a famous trader from the 1920s. Proudly, my dad was the only licensee of Mr. Wyckoff who worked with Jesse Livermore and was one of the top traders of the 20s and 30s on Wall Street. I started at age 8. I began charting manually for my dad using the point and figure method of charting, which was created by Charles Dow back in 1880. And I continue to chart regularly and teach that form of charting as part of our methodology for both stock trading, option trading, and cash derivative option trading. In 2006, I began to really develop our program, and I'm proud to say that in 2008 through 2013, for 6 consecutive years, we won the Reader's Choice Award as one of the top 10 stock and option advisory services in the United States by Stocks and Commodities Magazine, the premier magazine for the industry. David beat Goliath. We were a small upstart firm of 2.5 people, and we had an alert that went out each week that summarized our Dow projections, what we recommended in relation to options and how to trade them using our methodology, and also stocks that we would recommend on methodology and point and figure charting and the use of both fundamentals and breakout theory and Fibonacci numerology. Later, Rodney Mogan, a Series 7 stock licensed trader and certified financial planner and overall financial genius, joined us to offer his form of folio investing. And we now offer in both OEX and blue chip options a series of stocks that we offer, options that we recommend, and cash derivative options that we recommend. Our service is very personalized and we're very well known. We do a great job. And we do a great job because we love what we're doing and we trained ourselves. And we don't listen to what the average Joe tells us. We study the facts, we look at data, and we try to understand what makes that market move. And we then move our stocks and our options around what makes the market move. I hope you have the opportunity to spend time learning more about us. We'd love to have you as a subscriber. Thanks.